How to create a professional LinkedIn profile picture with AI. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your LinkedIn profile using just a simple profile picture. Now, your profile picture is one of the major indicators of your professionalism that you're going to have, and it's really important to have a good headshot in your profile picture on LinkedIn. But not all of us have the time or the money to spend on professional headshots. But now we can take our own professional headshots using the help of AI. So let's get started. Now, there are so many different AI based tools that allow you to take any basic photo and convert that into any headshot. However, one thing to keep in mind is that when you're using these types of tools, you want to ensure that the original photo you have is of good quality. So, by that, make sure that your photo has good pixels, it's not grainy, it's not taken in the shadows, or it has good lighting in front of your face. If you have these prerequisites and your photo is good, then you can easily convert that into a good headshot. So let's get started. Now, first, you can go into instaheadshots.com, and this is a simple headshot tool. So you can click on create your headshots over here. And once you do, you can proceed with your email address, or you can sign up with Google as well. So I am just signing on with Google over here to convert our photos into headshots. Once you do that, you're going to answer a couple of questions. So, what is your gender? What is your name? And then after that, click on create profile. Once you do that, you can upload at least 10 photos from your computer. So, one thing you will see over here, your headshots depend on the images that you upload. So, upload at least 2 upper body shots and 8 close up shots of your face. You will see on the right there are a few different photo requirements. So, they can show you all of the different photo requirements. So, make sure to upload new photos, make sure that they have a variety of backgrounds and clothes where you are not too far but not too close to the camera, and make sure they're not grainy, make sure they are well lit, no group shots, no car or mirror selfies, and no nudity. So we are going to take a headshot, one person headshot examples, and we are going to take a few examples of a person over here. So you obviously should be uploading your own images over here. You're not gonna take headshots of other people, but I am going to be using another person. So reference headshots or reference images. And you can even just, if you're just trying this tool out, you can even use the celebrities images if you are uncertain of, how the images are going to look like. So I am going to take a simple example of, let's say, Kendall Jenner, and I'm just going to open her images up. We're going to take a couple of photos and we're just going to save these like so. And then we're going to take a couple of different images. So like this, so on and so forth. And I'm just downloading these images over here. Now make sure that you are actually uploading your own images in a variety of different clothing. The reason for that is when you have the same images over and over again. So if you have one image that is in the same clothes and you just have different poses in that, the AI image generator is not going to be able to generate different types of images from that. So that is why it's important to have these close-ups and have these nice photos. We're just going to save a couple of more. And then we're going to go back into our photo generator, and then we're just going to upload our images. Now you have to upload a minimum of 10, so I'm just going to proceed back into my search and I'm just going to complete my 10 images. So now that our images are complete, we can proceed on to the next step, which is going to be to create our headshot. So I've uploaded 10 images and then I'm just going to click on next. After that, you have to choose the package that you want to subscribe to. Now you can go with the starter one, and this allows you to create 40 headshots with 2 different styles, and it only takes 60 minutes. Then you can also proceed with some of their premium packages. However, I would say that you can just proceed with the cheapest package because it just gives you the basics that you would need. And then you can pay to create your headshots. Now, this is one tool. However, you even have other tools such as the profile picture maker if you're looking for a completely free tool. So this is a different tool which is built for profile picture building, which allows you to remove backgrounds and build a nice profile picture, which can serve as a great example headshot. So for example, if I was to take this photo over here, I can upload that. And then once I do that, I can generate the profile picture. And then you can remove the background, add your own professional background, change your suiting to make it more effective as your profile. And you guys can see with a simple blue background, this could serve as a great professional headshot for your LinkedIn profile. So if I take this image over here, I can click on customize, and then I can replace the photo, add filters, shadows, borders, text, and then I can even go into the background, go into professional backgrounds, and I can add a professional background as well for my particular image. And once you have that done, you can just click on download and download that as your LinkedIn profile image. Now, there are several other tools you can explore as well. So you can go into AI headshot. AI headshot generator. And once you do that, you will actually see there are quite a few different realistic headshot generators available. Some are free, while some are paid. And for more usage, most of them are paid. But using the AIEs, you can also generate free headshots. So you can click on get free headshots over here. And once you do that, you can choose the style. So if you want a women's style, and then click on try it, click on upload, upload a couple of pictures like this. And then once you do that, you can choose your aspect ratio. So I want this to be 9 by, I want it to be 2:3. And then after that, this is going to process and generate this as a headshot instead of a regular image. And it will follow a default type of style. So for more customization, you do have to upgrade to more premium plans on most of these AI-based tools. You can even use something like Midjourney or another AI-based image generator like DALL-E and provide it with your reference image and provide it with a prompt on how you want your headshot to be generated. And just like that, this is such a nice professional image. I can click on download, and then after that, I can upload that onto my LinkedIn. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.